Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk around video of our 2019 Mazda CX5 Sport Nav Plus. This car comes with a 2-litre petrol engine and the automatic gearbox, which is ULEZ compliant, producing 163 brake horsepower and while still returning up to 36 miles to the gallon. The insurance group is 16 and this is a one-owner vehicle having covered just over 30,000 miles and comes with full service history. This particular colour is the metallic deep crystal blue mica. And as we have a look inside, with the Mazda, you get the nice sporty interior. So first of all, you've got the sports seats there, which are electric, heated and leather. You've also got the nice stitching around the outside as well. And then onto the dashboard, you've got your multimedia screen there in the centre for your satellite navigation, DAB radio and Bluetooth. And this car also has a heated steering wheel, as well as climate control, automatic headlights and wipers. And then on the driver's door card, you have your Bose speakers for the sound system, and also your electric folding mirror and 4 window controls. On this particular model, you also have the sunroof as well, so it adds a bit of extra light into the cabin for you. The CX5 is a great car for the family, so good access there into the back, with lots of legroom and headroom if you're getting children in and out of car seats, for example. The rear bench has 3 individual seat belts, and rear passengers have their own air vents there in the centre. And it's good to see the car's still got the original Mazda carpet floor mats too. And as we open the tailgate, which is electric, you have a good sized boot there that goes back quite a way, with the split folding rear seats and the parcel shelf that's still in place. And then underneath the boot floor, you have some storage as well as your subwoofer for the sound system as well. Externally, the car comes with LED daytime running lights, the gunmetal alloy wheels, front and rear parking sensors, and also a colour reversing camera. The car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind. And you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty that you can extend up to 3 years, and with a finance from just 10.9%. So, if you have any questions or you'd like to book a test drive, please give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.